2026 FIFA World Cup just begin, and a lot of people are using this opportunity to make money for themselves, while a lot of people are there just to watch the football or get the live score and know how the match is going. But what if I told you you can use this opportunity of this 2026 FIFA World Cup to make money for yourself by monetizing those traffic you are getting with your social media account or with your website? Because right now, thousands of people, millions of people are online searching for how to watch those football, or some people are searching for the live score, a lot of things about the FIFA World Cup 2026. So you can use that opportunity to monetize your social media account, monetize your website, your TikTok, in fact, any of your handle. You can use it to start making money with this 2026 FIFA World Cup. Let me break it down to you so that you are going to understand. There is a platform called Monetag. This platform you are seeing right here. With this platform, you can monetize your social media account and such like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and also your website by the traffic you are getting. You don't need a large followers, you don't need much followers to monetize those traffic, and you'll be making money from it. And you are going to use the FIFA World Cup people are searching for together with your traffic, and you'll be making money. So try to be among of the smart people who will be using this opportunity of FIFA World Cup to be making money for themselves. Don't just take your phone or you start watching those football matches for free without anything. You can use this opportunity and make money with the FIFA World Cup. Let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can get started on Monetag and how you can monetize your social media account with the FIFA World Cup and be making money from it. Let's get started. So the first thing you have to do, go to the description or the comment section of this video. You are going to see the link to the platform. Now it is called Monetag. As you can see, this is the platform here. What you need to do, just click on start earning here. And when you click on start earning, it's going to bring you to an interface where you can start to register and you start creating your own account. But before that, let me show you some things here. You can see where it says website. You can earn money through your website. Just place an ask. You can earn money through your Telegram. You can see social media traffic, email, and you can see a lot of things. Get paid from your traffic. You can also read more things about the platform. So after you read it and you want to get started, just click on start earning here. And when you click on start earning, it's going to open like this, and it will take you to where you can start to register and start creating your own account. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can register and start creating your own account, a fresh account. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now, when you come to interface like this, you can click on create with email, or you can click on continue with Google. So anyone you wish to use, you can use your own email address. You can just use your continue with your Google and you put your own Google account. Now let's click on create account with email. Now, when you click on create account with email, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where you are going to put individual. So you put your name, your last name, your email address, you put your country, all these informations, you fill all this information. And after you click fill all this information, you click on continue and you register your account, and your account is going to be registered. So after your account is registered, let me fill all this information. And after filling all this information, I'm going to show you the next thing you need to do. Now, after filling all your information, your new account is going to be registered like this. As you can see, your new account is going to be registered like this. Now, when you click on these three dots by your left hand side, you are going to see website, Telegram mining, direct link, payment, insight, referral. So let me explain it to you step by step. So all you just need to do, if you have a website that you are posting some things about all this football or anything, if you are posting anything, you can just click on website here. Now when you click on website, all you need to do is just to click on add website. Now when you click on add website, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where you are going to add your website URL. Just put your website URL here. For example, this is my website URL, and after that I will click on add website. Now when you click on add website, they are going to give you a banner and some things that you are going to put on your website, that if anybody click on it, you are going to be making money, because it's going to be displaying advertisement about football and advertisement on your website, and when people click on it, you'll be making money from it. Now another way you can also earn money, when you click on that three dots again, you are going to see Telegram app mining, you are going to see direct link. Now if you are the type of person that use social media account like your Facebook, your TikTok, or all this your social media
account, you can just click on direct link. Now when you click on direct link, this is where you are going to generate your direct link. As you can see, just click on direct link and click on add direct link. Now when you click on add direct link, it's going to bring you to an interface where you just click on your direct link and you start using it. You are going to generate a link. Now this is the link I just generate right now. As you can see, this is the link here. You can see 3 link. I just generated this link right now. This is the link I just generated right now. This one up here. So you can just copy this link. You just copy it and you go to your social media account and you are going to paste it there on your post. Just paste it there, and when people click on it, it will show them advertisement and you'll be making some money from it. You don't need large audience, you don't need large followers to start doing this. You can also do it on your TikTok account. So if you are kind of person who have social media account, you can use this direct link. Now another way you can also use this platform to make money is through referral. As you can see, referral program. When you click on this referral program, this is like you are referring people and you also make money. You are going to see where it says share your referral link. You click on get link. Now when you click on get link, you are going to copy your link and you share it with people. When you invite people, you also make some money for yourself. Now let me show you one amazing part about this platform. When you click on payment here, you are going to see different type of payment method they have. Now as you can see, they have crypto, which is USDT, and this is their minimum payout. Now this is their, if you are using PayPal, you can also withdraw through PayPal, and you can withdraw $5 and you can be withdrawing every two weeks. These people do not wait that you have to make up to 1 month before they withdraw. No, you can withdraw every 2 weeks. Now as you can see, if you are using PayPal, if you are using Stripe, you can use Payoneer, you can use any of this payment method, and you can see their minimum withdrawal. You can see their minimum withdrawal here. So you can use this platform and monetize your traffic from those from your social media account, and you'll be earning some cool cash from it. So this is how this platform works, that you'll be using it. If you don't know how to set it, you just click on it and you set it up, and you'll be making some massive money from it.
Now you guys have seen everything how you can monetize your social media account with Monetag platform using the FIFA World Cup, and you'll be making money for yourself. So don't forget, if you have any question, you have any challenges, you can drop it in the comment section of this video and I'm going to respond to you. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.